Well, that's just beside the point to Supersizing Grow Your Business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our communication-related idiom or expression, we're switching gears and talking about communication this month in the BU 365-Day Challenge. So in order to coincide with that, we'll be talking about and sharing a communication-related idiom every day for the month of September. And there are a lot of communication idioms. I didn't have any trouble researching that yesterday to find out, okay, here's my list of communication-related idioms that I can pick and choose from every day to coincide with our annual challenge calendar. So our idiom today is from the mid-1800s, and it's beside the point. It means irrelevant, off the topic. This, what you're saying or bringing up has nothing to do with what we're discussing here. It has nothing. It's totally irrelevant. It's inappropriate. It's peripheral. It's pointless. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been in arguments before, once or twice in my life, and sometimes I've actually been guilty of this, bringing up things and bringing things into the argument or the negotiation or the disagreement or the dispute that really have little or nothing to do with the topic at hand. Why? To divert attention, to divert energy, to try to get what I want, right? We all do that. So in arguments, in negotiations, in legal or regulatory issues, think of the IRS interpretations of the IRS laws versus your your accountant's interpretation of the IRS laws and requirements for filing our taxes. It's just one example. If you've dealt with other regulatory agencies, you know it's true of every agency in the government. How and what the things say and were created to be laws or rules or guidelines by whoever created them is different than how they're applied, for example, in manufacturing or in different industries. And so there's always room for interpretation and dispute. And sometimes the things that are in there are absolutely positively irrelevant to what we're doing in our businesses, especially as we're growing and building and supersizing them. So many things as we're growing and building our business really don't matter. Yet a lot of times we as human beings try to bring them into the equation and act as if they matter. For example, what others think about us or our business. It doesn't matter. It really is none of our business, unless of course it's our customers. We care what they think about our business and that they want to do business with us. But things like our competitors, people in other industries, people in our environments, or people in our area, our hometown, it doesn't matter what they think. What matters is that we are focusing, that we are knowing where we're going, the vision of what we're doing and where we're going and what we're creating with our business, that we have a framework for our business, and that may or may not be part of our business plan, our official business plan. Business plans are about getting money and funding. Our framework is how we run our business, what's our strategy, and we especially need these things when we're growing, when we're having a growth strategy. I will contend that growth requires continuous improvement in all the different areas and aspects of our business. Each stage of growth in our business requires a different skill set and a different focus, and we learn that as we go through the process, or we get a coach that helps us go through the process. So curious, have you used this expression, beside the point? I guarantee I have used this expression. I guarantee people have told me that's beside the point. People have even told me it's besides the point, which is a misuse of this idiom. It's beside, not besides. Unless I guess people might say besides because it's expressing that more than one thing is off topic. So share in the comments below your experience, your story about this particular idiom, or if you've never heard it before. And I will be with you every day this month with a communication-related idiom. If there's one you would love to know the origin of and how we can apply it to our business and how we use it as we're growing and building our business, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.